This is exactly what I learned from Iman Ghazi. So what I'm about to share is not a bullshit. It's not some, fluff. So it works, okay? And it's credible. So whether you are selling a $10 ebook or a $20,000 program, you have to install these four beliefs in them in the mind of your customers to make them purchase from you. And these four beliefs are: they must believe in the model, they must believe that they can do it, and they must believe that you have the right solution, and they must believe that it will work for their specific situation. Even if the one of them one of the belief is missing, they won't buy, right? Because there is a gap missing, and that gap will allow them to raise objections, and those objections will not gonna help you to make money. So what you can do is you can ask yourself these four questions, and if any of them answers no, then you have to rethink, and you have to think that how can I install these four beliefs through my marketing, right? So the first one is, does your marketing makes them believe the model? So does your YouTube content, your reels, your emails, or whatever kind of messaging you're putting out there, does it make them believe that your model works? Whether that's training, whether that's drop shipping, whether that's AI ecom, does it make them believe in the model? If no, rethink and think how you can make them believe the model, right? And then, does it make them believe that they can do it? So if you're positioning your model as extremely hard, and it has a very high resistance for anyone to start with that model, then it's gonna be very hard time for anyone to start with that model. So what you have to do is you have to make your offer or make your model as beginner friendly as possible. And then we have, does it make them trust you? So are you the credible person to basically talk about this model, right? So if you are a trader, or you are selling a course on trading, have you made money in trading, right? Have you made six figures in trading? Are you credible to talk about trading in the first place? If no, you have to rethink, and you have to think for ways to generate proof, right? Because people are skeptical, and they don't want to spend money on fluff, on bullshit. They have been sold false claims, and they hate claims. So if you have no proof to back up your claims, then it is a shallow claim, and it won't make you money. And the last one we have, does it make them believe that it'll work for their specific situation? Every single ICP of yours are stuck, either in a job, or a college, or a business that's not working. Everyone is different. What you have to do is you have to prove them that your solution works for them wherever they are. If you can prove that, they will buy. The bottom line is you have to make sure that you install these four beliefs throughout your marketing for somebody to buy.